how to make my white chocolate and pistachio blondies. They're thick, fudgy and perfect, and I know you're going to love them just as much as I do. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, where today I'm making one of my favourite tray bakes personally, which is white chocolate and pistachio blondies. So just like I think a very large percentage of the world at the minute, I am obsessed with pistachio bakes. I love a pistachio coffee, like my local coffee shop, they know my order every day. Skinny iced pistachio latte. I am that obsessed. And if I could pair that with one of these blondies every day, I would be in heaven. They are easy to make, they are delicious, they're quite adaptable. So if you didn't want pistachios, you could use hazelnuts, macadamia nuts, anything like that. But the base recipe is super simple. And just like always, I'll put the full recipe in the description box below, link to the blog post, and any questions about it, let me know in the comments. But let's get baking. When it comes to the core blondie mixture, it's classic ingredients that I always use. So I always add a little bit of vanilla extract. You have some melted butter or baking spread, granulated sugar, plain flour, light brown sugar for a delicious caramel flavour, some medium eggs and some corn flour. The corn flour is always important for a delicious texture, but you can swap it for 25 grams more flour if you fancy. And then of course, the main part about these blondies is the flavour. So when it's blondies, I use white chocolate. These are callets of white chocolate that I bulk buy. So I can link the ones I use, but like you can use a shop bought bar of chocolate that you've chopped up, shop bought chocolate chips, anything but white chocolate. And then of course, the important bit, which is the pistachios. So my favourite nut ever at the minute. I crush them slightly to get more per bit of the blondie essentially. So I lightly crush them down, but you can leave them whole if you want. But these just mix in with the white chocolate chips to make a delicious flavour for your blondie. Start by pouring in your melted butter, and then add your white granulated sugar and your light brown sugar. And then you mix these together for a couple of minutes until they're really smooth. And then pour in your eggs and add in your vanilla. Add in your corn flour. And then of course, add in your plain flour as well. Mix these together until smooth. Pour in your chocolate chips and then add in your pistachios. And there you have your blondie mix. So once your blondie mixture is ready, it's thick, gloopy, and it does look a little bit weird, I will admit, but it's a perfect blondie mixture. And it's ready to go into your tin. So just like any other blondie, brownie, millionaires, whatever tray bake I make, it's a 9-inch square tin with parchment paper, bulldog clips to hold it down, you know, standard Jane tactics. I just find it easy, of course. If you want to grease it and stick the paper down, you can. I find this way easier. It makes the tin easier to clean afterwards. But either way, I'm going to pour my blondie mixture into my tin, bake for about 25 minutes until there's an ever so slight wobble in the middle. Then I'm going to let them cool fully in the tin, and then we can decorate, set in the fridge, and then you have the best blondie ever. Smooth the mixture into the tin, making sure it gets to all of the sides. So now my tin is full. I'm just going to bake these in the oven, and like I said, bake until there's a slight wobble in the middle, leave to cool fully in the tin, then we can decorate and set them in the fridge. And now these are out of the oven. There's an ever so slight wobble in the middle, so I'm going to leave them to cool fully in the tin and then decorate. So once your blondies have cooled in the tin, I'm going to decorate them now, and then I'm going to set them in the fridge for a bit. Setting them in the fridge is optional. It just makes it help create the perfect fudgy texture for these blondies that you're after. But honestly, it's so easy. A little drizzle of melted white chocolate and some extra pistachios, of course, and they're decorated. And Now it's decorated, I'm gonna let them set and then apportion and enjoy a delicious blondie. So that is how you make my white chocolate and pistachio blondies. Such an easy tray bake. You can see that they're fudgy, chocolatey, full of pistachios, and it's so easy to do. So obviously, like always, if there's any questions, leave them in the comments below and I will do my best to respond with any tips and tricks I have. The recipe will be in the description box, linked to the blog post, and all the useful bits I've used in the video. And of course, come back next time, as always, for something delicious. Enjoy!